the gallop thing, man. Gallop, look. And thundering down the straight with a furlong to go. And Akeem Bloomfield is... Wow! So it's time for the men's 4x400m finals. Jesus Christ, I cannot keep up. Akeem Bloomfield, okay. Ready? See, I'll put cover guard. Whoa! It is time, man. We know we can get a medal. We are going to get a medal. Once again, I'm going to kill myself and so we have to get first because, you know, our USA team kind of... And so, I believe in our team. We must can get a medal, silver and bronze, and that way I defend, that way I go for. Four, yeah, man. 4x4 meters relay. Alright, Trinidad and Tobago, yeah, man. Once you're Caribbean, we have to do stuff for you. Big up yourself, Trinidad. Yeah. It's Mario. Oh, wow. No, man, it look like he just passed PEP exam. Jesus, Pim. Belgium. Colombia. Alright, youth. Jamaica. Akeem Bloomfield, KC, youth. Yeah, man, young youth, they think proud of you. Alright, big up yourself, United States. Big up. Big up. Alright, big up United States. Or whatever. Who that know? Great Britain. But they edit while me record video because them race and give me no time back to back. So me have to edit and all kind of things in between. Alright.
Jamaica 5, Colombia 6, Belgium 7, Italy 8, Trinidad and Tobago in lane 9.
Alright. Ready? Come on, man, game face time. Come on, Caribbean, Jamaica, Jamaica want win. I just saw mistake. If not, you know, Trinidad one Caribbean island. And if not them, some closest. If not that, somebody black. And yeah, I just saw me go for my race them. I just saw it go. So we go Jamaica first, then another Caribbean country. If not like another Caribbean country, one of the closest to Caribbean country that is not American. If not, I just go for whosoever black. Is that a weird way out to go through me and support? They look like a basketball him supposed to start playing, but I track him and do. He does have a basketball face. You know them LeBron James face there? Yeah. Set. Alright, set your start now. Come in Bloomfield. Give you a good start. Come on then. Good gallop thing, man. Gallop. Look. And thundering down the straight with a furlong to go. And Akeem Bloomfield is thundering down the straight with a furlong to go. And he's making its way around the USA partner. But he's turning around and hold on low. Oh, but look at this USA coming with another furlong to go. With another mile to go. But look at this look. And he's coming around the bend. He's coming around the bend with the foot that is galloping like... Akeem Bloomfield is coming around. And he's still in contention. But out on the outside it is Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago is still pressing on. It is pressing on. But Akeem Bloomfield is putting in a monstrous leg for Team Jamaica, giving us the first batting change. And yes, a wonderful leg from Akeem Bloomfield. That's setting us up in the right position. Alright, we need to stop now. Come in Jamaica. I will shoot that again. Alright, come in the bend now. Yeah, man. Yeah. Ease yourself, relax. Keep your composure. Nobody kill up yourself for the past the USA youth and done. You like a battery life. Compose yourself. Yeah, man. Just compose yourself and relax, youth. We have go feet. Remember the people them have beat the man them body now. So you have to make sure so you secure the leg, yeah. Secure the leg. Pace yourself and relax, youth. Yes, youth. Don't tire out your energy now. Fight, man, fight. Yes. Come in now, yeah, man. Jamaica, keep your spot, secure your spot. Do what the man say, hold your position. Hold your position, yo, youth. Don't kill out your battery percent. Don't kill out your iPhone battery on the youth. Relax yourself. Alright. Relax yourself, youth. Come in, man. Just don't kill out your battery percent. Save yourself. Alright. Keep your energy. Yeah, man, run. No, you can't press on, man. Fight for everything. Kill all of your energy. Good leg. Good leg. Good leg. Good leg, I know, barbecue chicken. Good leg, you. Go on. Pass it on now. Yeah, man, Jamaica, man. You have to prove Jamaica wrong right there, you know. Because everybody are talking about, oh, the men's side just a one with one bag of flappage, you know, so can I give us a wow? So this now, I know, so you have to go show the self-approve. Come in, you know, you name gay, alright, yeah, man. Ease yourself, pace yourself, just hold the silver medal. Hold the silver medal, and that way I do. Hold your silver medal. Yes! That's it. That is it, man. Amazing silver medal. Yeah, man. Amazing silver medal from the youth them. Proud of you, man. Yeah, man. I'm glad to see the final event this, you know. See them just redeem the whole Jamaican side and show say we have talent, man. The youth them big up on themselves, man. Okay, body a beat, you know, but I know say this now, I go just show say you know I have anything together for next year. I really love it. I love this, man. I love this. Amazing. Yeah, man, amazing. USA big up on yourself because I'm not lying. 400-meter depth, don't normal. Akeem say collect a silver medal there and always sit on the team. Gay, Javan, I never think you know on this one. I never need him surprisingly. And still come out with a silver medal. So big up on yourself. Woo! No, man, I need him arm wash. Jesus Christ. You know when they use the arm, they sit and put underneath the arm and tap the white and they, you know, oh. Congratulations, I can't even, I do good. I'm not lying. I'm not going to run black youth, you know, and I represent myself. Wait, how Trinidad they do, I never get for pre-Trinidad performance. I never get for really see how Trinidad do, how Trinidad plays. Come in, Allen, watch Allen. Young youth, you know, man, watch that. Move the camera from him now, so I try to focus on our exchange. But now, I know you see Akeem look like he extend himself from the first leg. And then the youth named Allen, I didn't never think some they gonna drop back all the way, but the youth surprised me and hold the position. I know like the Jamaican youth them, for some youth where not really that experience, them do the thing. I'm really proud of them. I have to big up all of the people them. All the Jamaican youth them on the team there a while because them are not a big name in the 400 thing, but them really hold them position and show themselves and rise to the occasion and do great. Watch them, man. No, man, I'm proud of them youth, man. Them do it, man. Because honestly, I think I really brands when I probably get, but look there. I know the USA thing. I really can't just beat USA just so. And for them youth here, what just some young youth for come do this. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Hope you enjoy the reaction video, you know, because boy, I still shocked about the 100-meter hurdles, you know. The whole entire race, like, me just numb. I never know what I say, it's like, me just numb. What time? 2:57.90. Alright. Wow. In a season's best time too. Oh, Trinidad come 5th. I wish Trinidad they get the bronze medal. Wow. Wow, that's it, people. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you say hit the like, the share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. I hope you've been enjoying all of my World Championships coverage. That is it for today. That is it. The next time you see me will be on a social media countdown. Thanks so much for just really watching and checking in. Really love the support. I love saying enjoy the reaction them. And let me know what next. If you want me to react to something that you found interesting on the internet, just send me a message. Follow me on Instagram at DuttyBerryShow. It is simple. Follow me on Instagram and let me know where you want me to react to. Or just message me on YouTube in the comment section. Simple as that if you want to reach out to me. Otherwise, it is DuttyBerryShow at gmail.com. Zine, take care. That's it for the World Championships in Doha. Oh yeah, big up all of the medalists there, especially the people who represented in the field events. I'm going to go in more detail in my social media countdown. That is my top 10 social media countdown, so you can look out for that dropping this week, where I shall elaborate on how I really felt about the individual places and how I think that Team Jamaica did at Doha. Peace out.